So Spreadshirt is thriving. But wait a minute, what does it even do? No worries guys, I got your back. And by the end of this video, you'll have the answers for almost all of the important questions when it comes to Spreadshirt. And guys, if by any chance you liked my content, then I'll be glad if you subscribe to my channel, as it'll motivate me to keep pushing new videos. So without further ado, let's start. Spreadshirt is simply a marketplace that connects buyers with sellers, but in the same time it acts as a print-on-demand platform. Just like merch by Amazon and Redbubble. The first time the internet heard of Spreadshirt was in 2002. Back then, it was a small startup looking for its way in the e-commerce space. Yet, its first takeoff towards a trending e-commerce business was in 2006, where its Google Trends interest rate jumped from 7 up to 38. And since then, it's growing in rocket speed like those rockets of Elon Musk. Now moving on to its business model. Spreadshirt model is mainly dependent on the idea of being the middleman between the buyers and sellers, where it provides a huge variety of products for its sellers to use, where sellers upload their design and choose which product to sell with that design on them. And by the way, Spreadshirt provides over 50 different products with over 250 variants to sell on your store. And with that amount of available products, Spreadshirt became the biggest print on demand on the internet. And yes, even bigger than Redbubble. And when it comes to buyers, they'll have all of those products I mentioned earlier, but with catchy designs on them. And once an order is placed, Spreadshirt takes care of the printing and order handling and shipping. Yes, it's as simple as that. So with that said, let's move on to pricing details and how much profit can sellers end up with. On Spreadshirt, we have two types of marketplaces: the main Spreadshirt marketplace and the individual shops. The standard payment system for the marketplace of Spreadshirt is based on fixed commissions only, where the seller cannot decide the price of the products he publish. Only Spreadshirt does. And once sales start kicking in, the seller get a fixed commission based on the country of the buyer. And fortunately, Spreadshirt provided us with a detailed commissions list for each product and each country. And I'll leave the link for this list in the description below. But what if you want to have a dedicated shop for your products, along with the freedom of cost control? In that case, each product will have a different profit margin based upon the product type and the product size as well. And guys, I don't want you to worry about identifying your profits in that case, as Spreadshirt makes it so easy to know your margins as you see on that screenshot. And so far, that is all the needed details you should know when it comes to payments. Hope you guys following along. So let's jump into the main products that do well when it comes to sales. We got various products, but some of the best are the following: unisex shirts, premium women's shirts, stickers, mugs, and face masks. Those are the main and best-selling products on Spreadshirt, so make sure to include them in any of your design's publishing process. Now let's answer the most asked question: how much money do Spreadshirt sellers make on average? And guys, that's where things get a little bit hard, cause on average, 90% of sellers don't make a dime on Spreadshirt. And the reason behind this issue is all about its marketplace saturation. But don't be disappointed, pals. You can still make pretty good amount of sales each month only if you promoted your products properly. If you're interested in a free promoting strategy that actually works, I've made a fully detailed video on how to promote your products without a single dollar. The video was for promoting merch by Amazon, but the process is still the same for nearly all sectors of e-commerce. So give it a look and hope it leverage your business up. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Hope it benefits you on the long run. Feel free to let me know if you have any questions, and thanks for watching. Cheers.